Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix GTL Getting Out mobile app if it's not working properly. Solution 1. Update the GTL Getting Out app. First, ensure you are using the latest version of the app. Open the App Store on your device, tap the search icon in the bottom right corner, and look for the GTL Getting Out app. If you see an update button next to the app name, simply tap it to ensure you have the most recent version. Solution 2. Clear the GTL Getting Out app cache. If you still encounter the issues, the next step is to clear the app cache. Go to General inside your device settings, then tap on iPhone Storage. In the GTL Getting Out mobile app and tap on it. On this screen, tap Offload app and confirm your choice. It will take a moment to process and then a reinstall button will appear. Tap it to reinstall the app. This should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, there's one more step to try. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the GTL Getting Out app. Follow the on-screen instruction to navigate to the app page. Once you're there, tap Delete app to uninstall it from your device. After uninstalling, return to the App Store. Search for the GTL Getting Out mobile app and click the Get button to reinstall it. And this should hopefully resolve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.